Good evening, judges. Today I am Manav and Varadraj of class 10th, Army Public School, Yule Kent, are here with an idea, miner's armor. So this is basic. So today we will going to discuss about the miner's armor. So basically we see many of the incidents happening near us that in which mines get collapsed and miners get stuck, and that can be fatal for them. So we have made this project, which is miner's armor. So basically miner's armor is a safety shield which is designed to keep miners safe by monitoring both the environment and their personal health in real time. So the key components used here are CO2 gas sensor, which is used to detect elevated levels of carbon dioxide in the air. This can be placed in the upper part or the chest, which is exposed to air, so that we continuously see what is the level of CO2 there, and is this harmful or not for the miners there. So second is heartbeat monitor. Heartbeat monitor, the work of heartbeat monitor is to track miners heart rate and help us to detect whether he is living or not in the mine which is collapsed. This can be placed in the area for accurate readings. Third is the temperature sensor, which is used to detect the temperature and ambient temperature in the surrounding, which can be used to detect the temperature whether it is causing any stress or hypothermia there. This can be placed on the head or any back part of the body. Fourth is the GPS tracker. GPS tracker will help us to monitor the miner's exact location where he is stuck in the mine which is collapsed. So it can be placed in the band like structure in our hand or in the wrist. So basically this is our prototype. Here we can place the GPS tracker, and here we can place the temperature sensor and heartbeat sensor. So the next additional features are central monitoring system, which can be used to collect the data of the sensors to transmit to the central system, where basically all the miners data is being collected, and it has a excellent battery life. So here we have reached to the end of our project, and this is basically our whole idea. Thank you for listening.